Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making something that I used in my last recipe when I made my breaded hearts of palm, and I used the chickpea breadcrumbs. I'm going to show you how I made those. Super easy. I mean, one ingredient, you can't go wrong. So I'm going to bring you over to get a closer look, and let's get started. So all you need is 1 can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained, and you're just going to put those into your food processor. Now we're going to pulse it. You don't want it to be hummus, you just want some nice chunks here. And we're gonna do this twice. It's gonna go through 2 baking cycles. So we're just going to pulse these. So it's about like that. I can take you. Okay, so there's some chunks in there, so we're gonna put these on a baking dish or a lined baking sheet. Then you're just gonna spread them around so they're, like a single layer-ish. And if you've got some bigger chunks, no worries. They're all going to get pulsed again. Mainly the first baking is just to get the moisture out of them, get them dried out. So, I mean, if you want to mush those down, that's fine. Get those little rogue ones. Okay, and that's it. So we're going to put these in the oven for 15 minutes and we will pulse them again. So this is after our first round of baking. I'm gonna let this cool off for a few minutes and then we'll put it in the food processor and pulse them again. So these have cooled off. We're gonna put these into our food processor. And I'm probably gonna make a mess, but that's okay. Except I forgot to put the blade in. Let's pulse again. Let's take a look. A couple more. Okay, so we're gonna bake another 15 minutes. And then we're gonna turn the oven off and let it sit in there for about 30 minutes. Then I'll show you the finished product. Again, just kind of get them in a nice single layer. In they go. So here we have our breadcrumbs. I just put them in a jar and these will last for quite a while and they just look perfect. And you will use them for so many things, for breading things, you name it. They will be your go-to breadcrumbs. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.